So what is the life event effect? So the life event effect is when people are more likely to switch habits and brands when they have undergone a serious life event. In fact, those who have undergone a major life event is actually 3 times more likely to switch brands and make new decisions going forward. You can appeal to this by shaking customers out of autopilot. Change an environment like a website or a store and make things look brand new. This is also why target audience analysis is very important, simply because you are not just trying to tell your customers what your product does, but you're more so trying to connect what your product does to the needs and the desires of your customers at the time that they're ready to purchase your product or service. This is simply why some brands get all of the customers and other brands get very few customers, because it all comes down to communication. You either know how to communicate with your target audience in their state of mind and what they're actually thinking in that moment, or you're just simply telling them what you can offer them. We all know which is going to be the most effective in the long run. Another way you can do this is to target customers' life events specifically. So identify a life event most relevant to your customers in your category, and then Facebook advertisement, for instance, allows you to target exactly what your customer is going through. So for example, it could be a new job, a baby, or a new house. So you can target that specific customer at that specific time in their life, which is a very, very powerful technique to use. A rather strange method, but one that still works nonetheless, is to advertise to 9 enders. 2 professors from both New York University and UCLA found out something very, very interesting about people whose age ends in a 9. So for example, 9 enders, so people whose age ends in a 9, were 48% more likely to make major life changes than someone else who is at a different age group. It's kind of like the whole midlife crisis thing, you're kind of going into a new decade of living and you just want to make the changes that are going to set you on the long term in the right way. If you want more incredible neuromarketing tips and tricks that you can use to, grow your brand and get more business, then feel free to click the link in the description where you can literally get 29 more of these incredible methods to help you grow your business and take it to the next level. You can start a 30-day free trial right now, which gives you instant access into not only that, but also the most powerful strategic branding program on the entire planet. Hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you like it, and I will see you again in the next video. Take care, guys.